Hey guys, today I wanted to show you how to get rid of a bump around a piercing. Now, I got my ear pierced on July 23rd, and unfortunately over the last couple of weeks a bump formed around it. But as you can see looking at it right now, there's barely any bump around it. I've been treating it for the past 2 or 3 days, and I've been treating it 3 times a day. I'm going to show you guys what I've been doing, and as you can see the bump is pretty much no longer there anymore. So the first thing you're going to do is take some vinegar and you're going to disinfect all around the piercing, especially where the bump is. So you'll need vinegar and a Q-tip. Alright, so I've got a Q-tip and I'm going to soak it in vinegar. You want to make sure that the entire Q-tip end is covered in vinegar. You only need to use one side for this. And then afterwards you're going to take the other end of the Q-tip and soak it in saline and clean the piercing with saline. Now after you do that, you want to make sure that you don't rinse the piercing because you don't want the saline to disappear. You want it to stay there and continue to clean it. So you're going to take your vinegar and just rub it all around the piercing. Now fair warning, when you first do this, especially if it's a big bump or if there's any irritation in the piercing, it's probably going to sting. But just know that the stinging tells you that it's disinfecting the piercing. So as you can see, when I do that, if I take the Q-tip away, there's a little bit of discoloration on it because it is still bleeding a little bit. Alright, now take the other end of the Q-tip and dip it in saline. Now I did have this in a spray bottle, but I couldn't spray it anymore, so I decided to put it in a little container. But it is saline. I know it just looks like water, but it's not. Now take the saline and rub it around your piercing the exact same way. And once again, you're just going to leave it there. You're not going to rinse it or anything, just leave it. And you should do this 3 times a day. So when you get up in the morning, when you go to bed, you'll need to clean it one other time throughout the day, right in the middle between when you get up and when you go to sleep. Now for me, that's around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Because by the time I get up and I've eaten breakfast and all that, it'd be about 8 o'clock in the morning. Also, I just wanted to say, don't mind the fan in our bathroom. It's so loud, so I apologize for the sound. There's nothing I can do about it. And yeah, I really hope that this is helpful for somebody. And if you're interested in trying it, be sure to leave me a comment below after a couple days. Tell me if it works or not for you. And I will see you guys in my next video.